The heart and soul of the Sleepwalker, Stuart, and the bass guitar. The man who spends all his life beating his skins, Chris on the drum. This is our last song. Thanks for coming out. Look after yourselves. We'll see you again soon.
I think we're forgetting someone. Come on, let's have a big hand for Paul Goddard. Come on, he's worked his ass off tonight for you. Come on, give it up for Paul.
I don't need your applause. I love myself, remember? We'll see you again soon.